G'day guys, it's Calvin from the Cartoon Company down under in New Zealand. We're just going to have a little quickie in the morning. It is a lovely, lovely day here. Look at that day out there. Isn't that gorgeous? And most guys like a quickie in the morning. We're going to have a really quick look at a drive shaft. Now this is a factory LS400 Driveshaft. And understanding how the factory drive shaft works will help a lot of people when they're designing drive shafts for engine swaps. So it helps the guys with the factory cars, and it helps the guys with the conversions, because better knowledge means we make better decisions. So here we have the old slushy box, the auto. They run this 3-bolt flange on the back with this coupler. Now I'm going to call it a donut. So if I interchange between donut, it's not because I'm hungry, or coupler, that's what I'm talking about. The drive shaft spigots into the back of the gearbox, and the drive shaft bolts to this coupler, donut, and spigots in the center so it stays aligned. You'll also notice this donut looks like it's been nibbled on by a policeman. It's been gnawed at. We travel down the drive shaft. We've got a hanger bearing, which has some movement in it, and that is just fine. Got a universal cross here. We travel down to another 3-bolt flange and another donut on the diff. I just changed this bush in place, which actually wasn't as bad as I thought it might be. But we've missed one critical point. It wasn't the balancing weight, it was just in here. I'm just going to move it a little bit. Watch this. It has a slip joint in it. And that is so there is absolutely no thrust on that coupler. So I see guys building solid drive shaft even with an independent rear end, and unless you get it bang on correct, you could put some load on that coupler, which it isn't designed to have. It's designed to merely rotate, not have any forward and back, and that is why there is a slip joint right there on the factory unit. Also important to note the orientation of the bolts, so that the bolt sits onto the solid part of either the 3-bolt flange or the drive shaft, and the big washer goes onto the donut, the rubber side of the coupler. Now, some people call me fussy, but I call that just doing the job properly. So hopefully that was helpful, and we'll talk to you again soon.